Hi, my friends, it's Miss Alexander, and today we're working on Module 3, Lesson 34 and 35 in Engage New York. Our objective today is to multiply two-digit multiples of 10 by two-digit numbers using the standard algorithm. Here are our vocabulary words. We have multiplication, factors, multiples, and products. If you need to study these, go ahead and pause the video. If not, let's keep moving on. Here's our example of double-digit multiplication, you guys. We have 57 times 37. First thing we got to do is set up the problem, so we put them in each of the boxes. We just need to make sure we line them up. Multiply, first thing we do is go to our ones column, or 7. We multiply 7 times 3, which is 21. We drop the 1, carry the 2. Then we do 7 times 5, which is 35, and it's actually at 7 times 50, but we've already done the 3. So 7 times 5 is 35, plus 2 is 37. What's the important step right here is adding our 0. We need to put a placeholder because we're not multiplying by just 3 right here. We're actually multiplying by 30. So we put a 0 here to hold our place value, so we're multiplying by 30. Once I do that, I do 3 times 3 is 9, and then 3 times 5 is 15. Now, if you notice, there's a plus 2 here, so you've got to remember where that plus 2 came from. I color-coded this for right now so that you could see it came from the 7 and not the 3, because I'd hate to have an accident where we add this and it changes our number. So now we add straight down. 1 plus 0 is 1. 7 plus 9 is 16. We carry the 1, drop the 6. 1 plus 3 plus 5 is 9, and 1 plus nothing is 1. So 57 times 37 is 1,961. Now that we've seen the steps, we always make sure we clearly state the answer. Now that we see the steps, let's go look at an example. We have 47 times 72. So right here, I'm going to pick which number I want to do first. It doesn't matter which way it goes, because with the associative property, it states that you can put the numbers in any order. I tend to put the bigger number on top and then multiply the smaller number. Or you could do it the other way, where you write it the way it's written. But I will show you here. I'm going to write it where I put the 47 on the bottom. And in this one, I'll do the 72 on top. And you'll see that you get the same answer. So we have 7 times 2 is 14. So I drop my 4. I carry my 1. 7 times 7 is 49. Plus 1 is 50. So I'm going to write a 50 right here. I need to put in my placeholder. Then I do 4 tens times 2, which is 8 tens. 4 tens times 7, which is 28. And I do 4 plus 0, 0 plus 8, 5 plus 8, which is 13. Remember, we need to carry. And then 1 plus 2. So here I get 3,384, right? And I'm going to go ahead and write that right here, 3,384. Now, as I said, I'm going to quick jump into here and show you how it looks the other way. Because a lot of you are going, but Mrs. Alexander, it's written this way. I want to show you it doesn't matter which way you do it, you get the same answer. So it's up to you on how you want to do it. I know I just sometimes prefer writing it with the bigger number on top. Here we go. We have 2 times 7. That is 14, you guys. So I'm going to go ahead and add, drop my 4, carry my 1. We have 2 times 4 is 2 plus 1 is 9. Oh, my 9 doesn't want to stay. So now I'm going to place my 0. Look at how I'm trying to keep my place values lined up the best I can. Now that I've done this one, it's time to do this one. That's the reason I placed it 70. So 0 times all this is 0. Then I go to the 7. 7 times 7 is 49. So I'm going to drop my 9 here. I need to carry my 4. I don't have room, so I'm just going to turn my 1 into a 4. 7 times 4 is 28, plus 4 is 32. Now I'm going to go ahead and add. Let's try that equal sign one more time. Look, I did a little better. We do 4 plus 0, which is 4. 9 plus 9 is 18, so I do my 8. I carry my 1. 1 plus 2 is 3, and 3 plus nothing is 3. And because it's thousands, I need to add my comma. So let's go see if this is the answer we came up with on the other side, 3,384. Look at that. So remember, you pick the way you want to put your numbers. Just make sure 47 stays together and 72 stays together. As I take your time, take a breath. You got this. It's just double-digit multiplication. You have this. Just remember the steps. And like I always say, remember to smile, giggle, and wiggle. I'll talk to you later. Bye.